Hey, it's Quentin here at Hawk Subaru in Plainfield, showing you the manager special for our 2026 Outback Limited. It's a certified pre-owned vehicle with under 5,000 miles on it. Just wanted to give you guys a full walk around of this vehicle. Being the limited trim level, you do have your full leather upholstered seats here on the interior. You've also got this beautiful new digital gauge cluster, a few different modes including a matte mode, some eyesight things, and just also a basic calm mode. New horizontal infotainment system, as well as your buttons and dials down here for climate control with a wireless phone charger as well. Then bringing it back to the back seats here. Lots of space back here. Still includes that 2 inches of headroom increase in this all new year of Outback, but they also maintain your back space here for the Outback, having all this storage, as well as your nice fold flat seats with an easy lever. So come find this Outback at Hawk Subaru in Plainfield. Got a great deal on it. Come ask for Quentin.